So I've been working on this. My computer is crashing right now at the moment, so let's see what happens. So I've been working on drawing processes, right? And I've created this new one here, right? But I've also created, and I've just changed it here in the main step. So I'm going to use this one. Now, my computer is shut down, so it is now available to me here. Um, So what I can do is I'll just go and use the test one. Let's come in here, and you can see I've got quite a whole thing going on here. So I guess I'm wondering how limited I am in here to what I can put in, because it doesn't seem to want project number. Okay, it doesn't seem to like these symbols, right? So let me cancel out of here. We'll go to the document manager and we can see what we got here. So we got some underscores. I've created some other ones. So what we'll do is delete. Okay, okay. So what's happened now is if I try to run this process, it's crashing the computer. So I'm going to change it out. So let's go back in here, and I'm going to remove the flat part at the end, and I'm going to remove the name, right? And okay, and let me make sure I'm doing this. It's not giving me an apply button here. So okay, so I'm going to select this, and let's go here, and we'll use the test one. Okay, and it is working. So it had been crashing with the other tokens. So you can see here we're getting the assembly. So let's go in where we can see it a little better. So we're getting, the name is, we got the assembly, we got the name of the project, we got the project number, we got the part number, and then we're missing the space here. So let's do okay. So the problem I'm having is I can't get the revision in there. So if I go back into it, and we'll go to, here, and what I was trying to work around was if I put the revision in here, right? So the revision will be revision index. So let's say we put a revision index in here, revision_INDEX, revision index. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4 tokens. Now let me put in the percentage sign. 4 tokens. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Select it. And then use this again. Okay. Now I have it set to let me keep outputting the same part, to have duplicate parts. So the one it just outputted was this one. So it just totally skipped the revision index that I tried to put in there. So let's just run a test if the revision index is the problem. So what we can do is we can try one of the other revisions. So let's try anything at all. So let's try scale, or revision author, I guess. I'm just wondering if it's just limiting us to revision date. Let's do revision date. Okay, okay. Select a beam. test again. Okay, and let's watch for the number here on the bottom. So it has not come in with that. So it doesn't like the revision either. So let's try something different. So, is it limited to how many we can have? So let's see if we delete the project number. And then okay. And then use. I need to pick the part. And then use. Okay. And the part now is also gone, so it's not the amount of tokens, it just doesn't seem to like those tokens. So what I did try for a workaround was, if I come into free remark here, and let's say the revision is 1, and then I'll just put a 1 on there, and I won't use it for numbering, and then I'll come back into the drawing process, and we'll come in here, change this revision date to name, which is the token for free remark. Yes, that's correct. And okay, select. Now the last time my computer crashed when I tried this, so let's see what happens again. Okay, and it seems to be running it at least. The number has not come in, so it's not using that token either. So it's really limiting the tokens that we can use here. I guess we'll try one more and then I'll just leave it at that, but if anyone has any suggestions, it would be helpful. So if I change this to model role, so I'll just change it to role, and maybe if I move it, how about I'll run it first and then I'll move it. We'll check for the name down the bottom, and we can see that that didn't work. So let's go back into it, and we'll do space, and we'll do role, and we'll do project number, which is underscore NO. And let's delete the role at the end. Maybe it's getting interfered with because of a sequence number at the end. Project number I have put in incorrect, but it's still not coming in with the model role, which is disappointing to say the least. So it's coming in with this because it doesn't like this token. So it's not liking this token because it's coming in with the. It's not coming in with this either. So let's get rid of these. Maybe these are interfering with it. Part number. Well, let's delete that. Okay. Select it again. I'd hope not to make this too long a video because I was hoping somebody would watch it and maybe be able to help me out with it. So let's go back in here, and we can see that. See, it's coming in with role here, but it's not. Doesn't like that attribute. So So these tokens here, you can see these tokens here. These are supposed to be useful when the single parts or assemblies are detailed on one per page. So that should allow me to use the free remark and whatever else I need. But it's not. So, or the quantity or any of those, but they're not working. So, like if I change this to quantity, okay, select it again. And it's just coming in with quantity. It's not coming in with that token. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe somebody can help me out. Let me move this back over here. I'll do one more and then I'll get out of here because this is just wasting too much time. See, I have the quantity set in there. The token is spelled correctly. So I don't know why it's not letting me use it. I mean, if I put it in like that, it should just come in as text, right? Or what if I try something like scale and see what happens? So all these tokens, as far as I know, I should be able to use. So it's just coming in with scale. So that's quite frustrating, to be honest with you. So I don't know why that is. I don't know why my scale, model, roll, quantity, and 8, 9. So it's just sequencing them. But this is it's not working the way it should, as far as I know. So I have the free remark in. I shouldn't need to tick this box. And when I put in the free remark, it didn't work. So again, we'll try the free remark. We could do phase, but let's, I mean, it says this one, file name. Free remark is supposed to be name. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this. The video is going to be too long. Nobody's going to watch it. So maybe I'll just take a screenshot of it. And apply. Okay. And select it. And use. Again, it's just coming in with name, so it's quite frustrating. I don't know. So this token is working, this token is working, this token is working, this token is not working. Now, do I have too many tokens? I think I tried that already, but let's try one more time. Let's delete this one. The project name. Okay. Use. Cancel. Select a beam. Test. Okay. Name again. So it's not that I have too many tokens. It just doesn't like that token for some reason. Because these two tokens are working. So what is that all about? I don't know why those tokens aren't working. Hopefully I can find out. If I do, I will let you know. Alright. Thank you.